Excuse me, is that your little girl? Yeah. But can I take a photo with her in the background? Oh man, it'd be cool. Here mate, can I get a picture of you with it? What about against this wall here? Because of the... Can I get your picture? Hey guys, so we're in Blackpool, the north of England, and I took a whole bunch of images here without recording video because I was doing a workshop the day before. I was just stealing frames here and there. I'm going to include them at the end of the video, so stay tuned. I think you like them. The footage you see in this video was shot over 30 minutes after the workshop. It's a little walkabout. What I thought though, I'll cover quickly in this video, we're kind of looking at that hesitation when you approach a scene or a person and like, shall I get the shot or not? Like, is it okay for me to take a shot here? And there's a couple of examples of me approaching scenes and scenarios in this video, okay? Firstly, kids. For me, it's mostly a no-go, really, without getting permission. The kids are in the background, it's not overly obvious, they're part of the scene or a silhouette or, you know what I'm talking about. Then I'll get the shot, perhaps. Sometimes you'll kind of just get the nod from the parents. If in doubt, ask. Or you might come across a scene you want to shoot, a character. Perhaps there's potential for a little bit of aggression or something like that rearing its head. Again, ask. I'm not talking to that anonymous kind of a street photograph, okay? I get those shots as well. Probably 30% of my work's like that. But really, with those kind of photographs, you need to do what you need to do, okay? Depends on the kind of photographs that you want to get, the kind of photographs that you like. I actually like that feeling, that sense of people engaging with the camera quite often. It's my thing. I mean, to the degree where I've got the composition set up sometimes and I'm waiting for someone to walk into the frame, and for me a better shot is with them looking at the camera. I'm not necessarily looking for smiles and a collaboration. It's that kind of fraction of a moment just after I've got their attention and just before they have they're savvy to what's going on. So they're naturally, what's going on here? And then I'll click. And if they're playful with the camera, I'll shoot that as well, but I kind of know the shot that I'm looking for. Anyway, I digress. In short, if in doubt, ask. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. It's such a big support for me. There's a whole bunch of you watch these videos. I can see I've got the analytics, but still not subscribe. It really is a big support for me. If you could like the video as well, YouTube seems to love that. Again, it's a really big support. Okay, so let's get in a character. Excuse me, is that your little girl? But can I take a photo with her in the background? You won't. I know what it's like because I've got kids.
That's fine.
She's gone now. Down on the beach. Don't fall in. Wow. Run back. So cool. Oh wow. Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Here, mate, can I get a picture of you with this? But I can't believe how lucky we got, mate. What about against this wall here? Cheers, mate. Are you on Instagram? I'll send it to you. Huh? Right, hold up, a bit closer. If you go to the Street Thief on Instagram, message me, I'll send you. It'll be about Wednesday, though. Cheers, mate. Can I get your picture? She wants a picture done with you.
No, you asked, mate. You asked.
I wanted one of her on her own, but... Stand against here. That's it, perfect. Just there, no, this against this sign here. That's it, just there, just there. Next time I'm down, I'll bring some prints. The Way of the Street Photographer. It's my book, zine. Guys, if you haven't got a copy yet, you're missing out. I promise you're gonna love it. It's got a whole bunch of inspiration in there. You can fold it up, put it in your back pocket when you're out shooting. It's gonna get you out of trouble. You know, when you run into a little bit of a creative block, it'll oil the wheels for you. Like I said, it's quite thin. You can put it in your bag, put it in your back pocket. It's not War and Peace. And you can grab a copy on my website, lashmarcreative.com. Follow the signposts to Zine. I think that's it, guys. See you on the next video. Out.
What you do to me is in confliction, a straight contradiction with my mind. Guilty pleasure has a bitter taste. In the end, my friend, are you sure you wanna